So yesterday I went on a 5-mile hiking journey at Kennesaw Mountain, and it was a great experience. Went to sleep, woke up, and wow, my feet were sore, especially my heels. I have had plantar fasciitis pain last year, quite a bit of pain, doing a lot better, but wow, my heels were really hurting me. And interesting enough, I just received the foot log just a few days ago, and I purposely got it because I know I've been having problems with my feet. And wow, I massaged my feet with these foot nodes, these rubberized foot nodes, and it felt amazing. This product is developed by Dr. Reem, who is a specialist with feet. It does come in 2 colors. It comes in this zebra color and also the fun rainbow color. Very, very cool. And you do get this foot manual as well. And if you click on the link, you could read more information on the product, choose a color, and of course, order it. Just a little bit of information on the product. The foot log helps get rid of stubborn foot pain. It stimulates and breaks up tight tissue, which helps with common injuries such as plantar fasciitis, tendonitis, scar tissue buildup, and soreness. So when your feet feel better, you run better and you can walk better in my case, because I did a lot of walking yesterday. Wow, I was tired. So it's a nice rubberized piece. I ended up getting a second one for my office. And so this will be something that I can use when I get up. It's not battery powered. You just sit on a chair or at your bed, wherever it is, and you could massage your feet. I tried it with my socks on. I didn't feel it did as or had as much of an impact as just right on your bare feet, but these massaging nodes, these rubberized nodes, really feels so awesome. It's been around for quite a while, and you can read the reviews when you click on the link. So there you go, and it just says the original foot log, made in the USA. And just a little bit about Dr. Reem. And again, he is a foot specialist. He is the medical director of the Diabetic Foot and Wound Treatment Center in San Diego, California, and has been in practice for 25 years. He enjoys lecturing for medical and lay groups across the country, formulated his own line of foot care products, and serves as a consulting editor to Podiatry Management magazine. And he graduated from California College of Podiatric Medicine in 1976. So that's just a little bit about Dr. Reem. And again, you'll get the foot manual. There's some great information. Talks about diabetes, arthritis, and other foot information. So very nice manual there. But for me, this is, I am just so excited that I have this product because it's going to relieve that foot pain, and I love massaging my feet. Nothing beats getting that massage, and especially if you're dealing with plantar fasciitis. And there are so many people out there that I hear story after story trying different things, and this will and should help give you relief and potentially help eliminate the plantar fasciitis pain or that lingering pain and other foot injuries that you might have. So you get it. It's very affordable. Make your feet feel good. You'll feel better when you're walking and running, and you can just say every time you roll your feet with the foot log. So let me know if you have any questions. Click on the link. I'm also going to put a link in the description. There is a community that is involved, that's working with the doctor, that's helping to bring this product to market, where there's the opportunity to earn royalties on the products like this product. And that's how I learned about this products, which I'm excited about. And I'll put a link where you get more information, and you can contact me if you have any questions regarding that. But order the foot log today, or at least learn about it. You'll be so glad you did, because I know I am a testament to using it how I felt this morning after using the foot log. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thank you so much, Dr. Reem. Thank you for inventing this product and making my feet feel better. See you on the next video. Have a healthy day and feel good.